In this video, I'll show you how to embed a Google form in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you'll want to click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you were on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the section where you want to add your embed form to. I want to add this on my first section. Now, the next step is to simply hover your mouse on a section, and on the left-hand side, on the top and left corner, click on Add Block. Now, on Add Block, you want to scroll down until you find Code, and below Code, you want to click on Embed. If you can't find Code and Embed, at the very top, there will be a search bar. From here, you can just simply type Embed. Now, at the bottom, click on Embed. That will automatically add the embed block, and from here you can just simply hold and drag in order for you to change where you want the embed block to be. Now the next step is to head over to Google Form. From here you want to head over to your form that you want to embed. Head over to the top bar. On the right hand side, click on the three dots for more actions, and at the bottom you want to choose the fourth option, which is embed HTML. Now a pop-up will show this will be the embed code. Now what you can do is simply highlight the whole embed code and press and Control C to copy. At the bottom, you can also change the width and the height. And at the bottom, if you click on copy, this will automatically copy the embed code to your clipboard. Now once you have that copied, head over back to Squarespace. In here, you want to click on the embed block. At the top, click on the pencil to edit. And on the right hand side, below Embed As, you want to head over to Code Snippet. And at the bottom, choose Embed Data. From here, click on Add Code and press on Control V to paste the code. And once you do that, as you can see, we now have a Google form on our Squarespace website. Now, if you scroll down, as you can see, the form is a bit long. If you head over and click on a random section and click on the embed block again, on the corners of the frame, you will see these squares. If you hold and drag, you'll be able to change or expand the embed block. At the bottom, you can also hold and drag to make it smaller if that is something that you want to do, or you can just simply readjust it through Google Form. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.